This is the AI News Flash for February 8th, 10 a.m. UTC. First up, Stifel has downgraded Microsoft stock from buy to hold in a rare move, citing AI spending concerns and Azure cloud headwinds. Analyst Brad Reback slashed his price target from $540 to $392, warning that market expectations for fiscal 2027 are too optimistic. Stifel now estimates Microsoft's fiscal 2027 capital expenditure at roughly $200 billion, well above Wall Street's consensus of $160 billion. The firm expects gross margins to compress to around 63%, below consensus near 67%. Reback pointed to Google Cloud's strong Gemini results and growing Anthropic momentum as factors making near-term Azure acceleration unlikely. Microsoft shares fell 5% following the downgrade. Next, Google Cloud has unveiled an AI-powered training platform for the 2026 Milan Cortina Winter Olympics that turns ordinary smartphones into biomechanics laboratories. Using Google DeepMind's spatial intelligence research, the experimental tool maps athlete motion from standard 2D video, even through bulky winter gear, and delivers results in minutes. Coaches can then interact with the data through Gemini, asking natural language questions like how a takeoff angle compared to yesterday's best run. The U.S. ski and snowboard team has already adopted the platform, marking a fundamental shift in how Olympic athletes prepare for competition. In our third story, AWS and the NFL are celebrating the 10th anniversary of Next-Gen Stats at Super Bowl 60, showcasing a decade of real-time AI-powered sports analytics.
RFID chips,
embedded in player pads and footballs, generate millions of positional data points every game. Processed through AWS SageMaker and Lambda for sub-second analysis delivered to broadcasters and coaches. Announcers now have AI dashboards that let them ask natural language questions about both live and historical player data. The next evolution involves 4K optical tracking that captures over 30 body joints in full 3D, opening a new dimension of biomechanical analysis. Finally, SanDisk stock has surged 1,560% over the past year, becoming a standout beneficiary of the AI storage boom. The company's latest earnings smashed expectations, reporting earnings per share of $6.20 versus the $3.62 forecast, while its data center business grew 64% sequentially. Memory prices jumped 50% in the last quarter of 2025 and are projected to rise another 40 to 50% by the end of Q1 2026. CEO David Goeckeler told analysts that customer demand continues to far exceed supply well beyond calendar year 2026, signaling a prolonged AI-driven storage shortage. That's all for this AI News Flash.